guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Lisa. Today in this video, I'm doing a vlog, and to start my day off, we ended up seeing a bear, our second bear sighting while being in Gatlinburg, and the bear was super close to the road, so it was pretty awesome if you guys like the footage. And then we headed up to Baskin Creek, the trail, that way we could hike it. It was a 2.7 hike going down and then coming back up it. We were trying to get to the waterfall, but it was super beautiful and semi-hard, I would say. There was also a cemetery that we ended up going and seeing, which is pretty crazy because it was out in the middle of nowheres. A little spooky. Along the way, we saw some mushrooms, some bugs, and we also saw some pretty flowers when hiking there. Eventually, we get to the waterfall, and it is beautiful. It's like a two-tiered waterfall, and it was just gorgeous and super fun to play in the water. I was definitely a little baby when trying to get under the waterfall, but to my defense, it came down pretty fast, honestly. So, I mean, yeah. Eventually, we ended up hiking to the second tier because you could hike up to that part or walk up to it, I guess. But we climbed up that little area and we ended up checking out the second part, which had a little pool of water and it had some crawdaddies in it, or crayfish, whatever you want to call them. So I was kind of hesitant about getting in the water at first, but eventually I did, and I got under the waterfall as well. So I tried to get the crawfish in the video, but it is really hard to see. The thing wasn't very big at all and it blended in pretty well. And there were also lots of centipedes. After that, we ended up getting down after playing in the water for a little bit, and then we ended up hiking back up the mountain to get back to our car. And that is going to basically be the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it and look forward for another video. I'm sorry I didn't post last week. I was out in the country and I didn't have any signal, so not the best excuse, but it is my excuse. Sorry about that, but I hope you guys have an awesome, beautiful day. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye bye.